Good morning, student. In last lecture, we have studied few named reaction. In that, we have covered Perkin reaction and benzoin condensation. Now, four reactions are remaining from your syllabus. That is Cannizzaro reaction, crossed Cannizzaro reaction, aldol condensation, and crossed aldol condensation. So, we'll study one by one. So, we'll study first Cannizzaro reaction. So, in Cannizzaro reaction, when two same aldehyde molecule reacts in presence of base like NaOH and KOH, then it convert into carboxylic acid and alcohol simultaneously. This reaction is named as Cannizzaro reaction. Makes it undergo self oxidation reduction simultaneously. So there are three steps in mechanism of reaction. First is there is nucleophilic addition of hydroxyl group. Then there is hydride shift. And in third step there is addition of proton which converts into alcohol. So we'll see first step. So this benzaldehyde is example of aldehyde which lacking alpha hydrogen. As we know, COH is aldehyde group and adjacent carbon, very neighboring carbon is alpha carbon. In this structure, this is aldehyde group, this is neighboring carbon. When you see this structure, there is C double bond here, one carbon here, and here there is COH. So you can see the valency is already 4 and there is no any hydrogen. So benzaldehyde is good example of aldehyde which is lacking alpha hydrogen. So first there is nucleophilic addition of OH minus ion from NaOH. So this OH minus ion act as a nucleophile. Due to polarity, due to electronegative nature of this oxygen, it pull pi pair towards itself. After pulling pi pair, this carbonyl carbon became electron deficient. That is why it undergo addition type of reaction. So this OH minus will attack on this carbonyl carbon. After addition, this oxygen became electron rich and there is formation of new bond between carbon and OH. This is step number 1. As this oxygen is electron rich in this step, now we have to add second molecule of benzaldehyde. Here two molecule require. So from first molecule, this oxygen donate electron here and there is formation of new bond between carbon and again oxygen. C double bond O again it forms. While this H minus ion liberate. So from first molecule H minus ion, that is hydride shift takes place. This H minus ion attack on carbonyl carbon. Now see, whenever you are saying about proton, proton means H plus which is electron deficient. Whenever you are saying H minus, that means it is electron rich and hydride. So from first molecule, when you see the valency, H minus ion, here it is liberate, that is hydride ion. This H minus is now electron rich, like nucleophile, it is electron rich and it attacks on this carbonyl carbon which is electron deficient. So after that there is formation of benzoic acid and in second structure this oxygen still electron rich. That is why in third step this electron rich oxygen accept one proton from water molecule, and this structure convert into benzyl alcohol. So simultaneously we are getting two product, that is oxidation product is benzoic acid and reduction product is benzyl alcohol. So this is named as Cannizzaro reaction. So here one molecule is oxidized, that is addition of oxygen takes place, and one molecule get reduced, that is addition of hydrogen takes place. So it is named as simultaneous self oxidation reduction system. So this is Cannizzaro reaction. Now we'll move towards, here you can see when two molecules of benzaldehyde react, it converts into benzoic acid and benzyl alcohol. Now we'll move towards crossed Cannizzaro reaction. There is only difference that in first reaction, same molecule of aldehyde we have taken. So both molecule of benzaldehyde undergo Cannizzaro reaction. But in crossed Cannizzaros, two different molecule of aldehyde react in presence of strong base which convert into same acid and alcohol. So again there are same step, nucleophilic addition, hydride shift and addition of proton. So here two different molecule of aldehyde we have taken which lacking alpha hydrogen, that is benzaldehyde and formaldehyde, both lacking alpha hydrogen. When react in presence of NaOH, major product is benzyl alcohol and formic acid. So what will be the first step? First step will be from formaldehyde HCOH, there will be addition of OH minus ion. So this OH minus ion get added on formaldehyde. Then from this intermediate there is hydride shift. Then we are adding benzaldehyde, and in benzaldehyde we are adding H minus ion, and after that again one molecule of one proton. So that structure will convert into benzyl alcohol and formic acid. So this is byproduct, small amount of benzoic acid and methanol can be formed. So applications of crossed Cannizzaros are synthesis of benzyl alcohol from benzaldehyde and formic acid. We can synthesize orthomethoxybenzyl alcohol from orthomethoxybenzaldehyde and formic acid. So these are few applications of this crossed Cannizzaros. Mechanism is same, only two molecule, different aldehyde we are using here. Now next we'll see about aldol condensation. In aldol condensation, here we are using two molecule of aldehyde and ketone. So here again same molecule, to same molecule we are taking from aldehyde or ketone. In presence of dilute acid or base, it gives aldol. Aldol means the structure which having alcohol group also and aldehyde or ketone group also. That is named as aldol. So here few steps are written. That is first removal of alpha hydrogen takes place. Then carbanion reacts. Then anionic intermediate abstract proton from water molecule and forms aldol. So now we'll see different steps. So step number 1 is now reverse that of Cannizzaros. So from acetaldehyde we have taken acetaldehyde which having alpha hydrogen. So here we are using aldehyde which having alpha hydrogen. So first base we are using which will abstract this hydrogen as a proton and it convert into water molecule. While this carbon became electron rich, that is carbanion. Now this carbanion react with second molecule of acetaldehyde. So here you can see one carbon is electron rich carbon. Why it is electron rich? Because there is abstraction of this proton. Both covalent electron shifted on this carbon. So one carbon is electron rich while second carbon from acetaldehyde is electron deficient. So there is formation of new bond between electron deficient carbon and electron rich carbon. But simultaneously, as this oxygen pool appear, it became electron rich. So this oxygen has to neutralize. So this oxygen takes proton from water molecule and convert into OH. So in step number 1, simply there is abstraction of proton takes place. After abstraction, there is formation of carbanion. In second step, carbanion is electron rich species which get added on carbonyl carbon which is electron deficient species. Simultaneously, this oxygen became electron rich which get neutralized with the help of proton and will get aldol product. Again we can continue this reaction. Again from this aldol there is loss of OH minus ion and this H and it can convert into enolate, that is C double bond C species, that we'll see in crossed aldol condensation. So these are three-step reaction which is named as aldol condensation, in which two same molecule of aldehyde or ketone reacts and forms aldol. Now last reaction, crossed aldol condensation. Like crossed Canizaros, in crossed aldol condensation, we are using two different molecule of aldehyde or ketone. So here we have taken formaldehyde and acetaldehyde because two different molecule we are using. So again mechanism is same. In first step, base will abstract proton from acetaldehyde. This carbon became electron rich which attack on carbonyl carbon which is present in formaldehyde. Second molecule of aldehyde we have taken, that is formaldehyde. So there is formation of bond between carbon which is electron rich and between carbon which is electron deficient. But simultaneously this oxygen became electron rich. So to neutralize this, it takes proton from water molecule and convert into OH. This is aldol product where Al indicate aldehyde and OL indicate alcohol. Both groups are present in aldol. Now this reaction again can be continued. In step number 4, there is removal of proton forming enolate ion. Again you can see with the help of water molecule, we are abstracting proton which is present on alpha hydrogen. So here this hydrogen we are removing as a proton and it forms carbanion. Now from second stage, from second step. OH minus ion get lost, and that is why this pi pair will be shifted here, covalent pair will be shifted here, and there is formation of C double bond C. So enolate ion converted into this unsaturated aldehyde. So there is C double bond C and COH. So this is about crossed aldol condensation where two different aldehyde reacts.